Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. So guys, as you already know from the title, today I'll be vlogging. As such, there's nothing decided what I'll be doing throughout the day. All I know is I have to go to my office, for which I'm already ready. And yeah, today I felt like wearing something Indian, so I'm wearing this suit, this black kurti, paired up with white pants, which I'm gonna show you in the mirror. And I'm just having my breakfast. My family is out of town; they're in Goa right now, so I have to be really particular. I have to go to the office every day. In general, also I started going to my office, but right now this time I have to be more particular. So for breakfast, I'm having this chicken salami sandwich along with the glass of cold coffee. So I'm just gonna catch you guys once I reach my office. Hi guys, so I finally come to my office and I've been working. So basically right now I'm sitting in my dad's cabin, and yeah, I'm just gonna tell you what I'm doing in brief. So I have some work related to our villas in Goa. So I have some work to do regarding that. So I have to make a list of few things that I'm going to do in this diary. I have to call few people and do some work. I cannot disclose what work I basically do it not to that level. And the second thing I have to do is few queries that I need to handle. And yeah, that is all that I have to do now. And yeah, one more thing, I have to do something related to our Facebook marketing as well. So that is the third thing that's in my agenda for today, and that's all what I have on my list right now. Any further work, then I'll let you guys know what I do. And yeah, okay guys, so as I just told you, I've just made a work to do list in which I told you the Facebook part. I have to do something related to Facebook marketing, then I have to do something related to our villas, call few people, and the third thing is I have to call few people regarding our Instagram queries. So yeah, these are the three things I have to do. So I'm just gonna get started. So it's lunchtime and I usually do not order food from outside. I get my packed food ghar se hi. So today I'm having rajma rice. So this box has rice in it, and I have this bowl full of rajma, and I'm having Mother Dairy ki charge. I love this, and charge along with rajma rice is my weakness. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat now. Done for the day. So like I'm leaving the office today a bit early because I need to go to the mall in the evening. So yeah, it's I think around 5 o'clock. I'm done with actually I'm done with my work. So yeah, I'm now leaving. I'm pretty tired. I'm just gonna go back home, take a shower, get ready, and then hit the ball. Hi guys, welcome back. So now I've come to the mall. I'm at Pacific Mall. So first thing I did was I bought something from Zara. I bought a small pair of earrings from Zara. They're very cute. I'm going to show you once I reach back home. And the second thing I did is, so basically it's a new place, Bread Talk, where I'm having for coffee. And for my breakfast, मैंने यहाँ से थोड़ी चीज़ें I bought, and they're packing it right now for takeaway. So once I reach my place, I'm going to show you. I found them very attractive and very interesting, a new concept. So I'm getting all of that packed, and I'm going to show you like a small mini food haul once I reach my place. Okay guys, so my coffee has come, and I got the things I bought. I've gotten them packed, so here they are. Once I reach my place, I'm going to show you everything, and they're pretty tempting, and I'm very excited for this. Okay guys, so now I'm having the tiramisu. This is how the tiramisu looks. I'm just gonna taste it and tell you how it is. It is tasty. I do not like the coffee honestly, but this is pretty tasty. Okay guys, so I'm at Pure right now along with my sister and my mom, and we are buying a few things. So once I reach my place, I'm going to show you everything. Hi guys, welcome back. So I just came back home and I'm all dressed up because I was shooting for another video. So I'm just going to show you whatever I got today. First I'm going to show you the pair of earrings I got from Zara. Okay, so these are how the earrings look. And they retail for rupees 990. I mean, it's a small pair of earrings, but I really like them. They're very cute. It is golden color on the top and it has a white shell at the bottom. I went to Zara a while back also, probably a few days back, and I got this top from Zara. So basically it's a short crop top. This is how it looks, and it has the sleeves are like this. The back is like this. I mean, I really like this shirt. It's a different concept. I've never seen such a crop top, like bilkul formal shirt come crop top hai ye. And it retails for rupees 1990 and I got it for 1490. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty reasonable and it's pretty smart at the same. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you what I'm the most excited about. These are the few snacks that I got from Bread Talk for my breakfast. The first thing is this sausage bun. It has 2 sausages and few sauces on the top, so something I can easily carry for my breakfast when I'm on the go. Another thing I got is this bun which comes with mushrooms and a single chicken sausage, and it has, I think it has a lot of butter and cheese on it, parmesan cheese. Parmesan and one more cheese was mentioned, I don't remember the name, but it's quite cheesy. Okay guys, so I got 2 desserts as well. The first thing is this rainbow tea cake. Oh my god, look at it. It's so pretty. I mean, I saw it from a distance and it caught my eye. And like, I've had a rainbow cake. I've seen a rainbow cake so many times. Basically, it's very attractive, but I've never seen a rainbow tea cake. I mean, look at it. It's so compact and the packaging, it is so cute. It is so easy to carry also. And wahan pe bhi it was not stored in a refrigerator. It was lying in the open as all the packed pieces. And it is quite reasonable also. It retails for rupees 120 and looks so tempting. I really wish that it tastes as good as it looks. And yeah, I really like this one. Another thing I got is this vanilla Swiss roll. There was a chocolate variant also, but I've tried a chocolate Swiss roll a lot of times, so I wanted to give the vanilla variant a try. And I really hope these snacks are good because I'm pretty much excited for them. And if they turn out to be good, I'm gonna go and shop more from this. Okay guys, so the next things I want to show you is basically we went to Pure and we bought 2 to 3 things for our villas in Goa. So for those of you who don't know, my family, we own villas in Goa. We have quite a few properties and villas in Goa, and 2 of us, basically out of 4 of us, 2 of us or 1 of us, we keep on visiting Goa every month to look after the villas. And we have a lot of staff over there also, but obviously we need to keep a check. So my mom wanted to change a bit of the interior, like ek room ka, so she got few things for that, and I cannot open everything, but out of that 2-3 things I can show you guys. So I'm just going to show you guys what I can open and what is easy to pack again. Okay guys, so the first thing we got is this lamp set. So basically I'm going to show you one lamp because the other one is packed very properly. So I'm just going to open this one because we can pack it again. So I'm just going to show you this one. I'm just going to open it first. Okay, so I've almost opened it. So basically this is how it looks. It does not come along with the lamp shade, so we have to buy it separately. So it's a very classy silver colored lamp, and because of the light thoda golden lag raha hai, but it's absolutely silver. So yeah, iska ek set hai. This other, as I told you, wo packed hai. So yeah, this is one set. Guys, so the next one is this. It's another lamp. So basically this is how it looks. It's a golden colored lamp, and it also comes in another set. Wo bhi dusra is packed and I'm not opening it. There's no point. And iska bhi we do not have the lamp shade. This is a proper metallic gold color, and yeah, this also does not come with a lamp shade. We need to buy it separately. So yeah, another one is this. So guys, I can only show you these 2 things because baki sari na cheezein I'll show you. They are packed like this because गिर जाएगा. 1 second. They are like packed like this, so I cannot open them. So ऐसे सारी चीज़ें are packed. Other 3-4 things यहाँ पे पड़ी हुई हैं. They are packed, so I can't open them. These these two things only I could show. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. I hope this vlog was interesting. I just combined a small shopping haul along with a day in my life, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like to watch more such videos, do comment below or just DM me on my Instagram, or just let me know anywhere on any social media platform. And that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.